If you need to recover your Hotels.com account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Hotels.com login page. Go to the Hotels.com website and click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will take you to the password recovery options. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Hotels.com account. Make sure it is correct, as this is where recovery instructions will be sent. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Hotels.com with instructions on how to reset your password. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Click the link in the email to reset your password. Create a new password and log into your account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Hotels.com customer support for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Hotels.com account without needing your phone number. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact customer support for help.